Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video and it's me, Tima. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my tiny 400 square foot Vaporwave apartment tour. Of course, I did straighten some things up here and there, but not everything is going to be absolutely perfect because usually I don't really do a lot of these things on a daily basis anyway. Like, I don't wash all of my dishes all the time. Like, there's usually a couple of dishes in the sink, stuff like that. So I will show you guys everything, but for the most part, I really do like my room. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of go through everything and I'll let you guys know how much things cost and where I got them from, stuff like that. What I might do right now is I might start around my bed area because like that's the centerpiece of the room, just because we do have a small studio apartment here in LA. So for those of you guys are wondering, yes, we do live in LA. I think since I moved out of my parents' house like after college or during college, I've been living in small apartments since, and my parents' house was really big, so I wasn't really used to living in a small space, but I'm really grateful that I have been over the past few years, just because now I'm able to know how to decorate in a small space and to really make sure that you're using your space to your advantage and you're not kind of over cluttering it. Thanks to also Marie Kondo for helping, but I've always been a person that hasn't had trouble with letting things go, especially if they're materialistic, so I'm able to do that. But let's get started. I'm gonna stop rambling for you guys and yeah. Okay, so first things first is my bed, and I got these beddings from TJ Maxx 2 months ago. I was looking for something more muted so that I could really put in more attention to the decorations, like the accessories and stuff like that, which I looked for this pink pillow as an accessory afterwards. I knew that it would bring out the navy blue tones in this comforter and also the pillowcases that I chose. They're super, super soft, and I wanted to just make sure that I could have something that would be, yeah, just really comfortable for me. I didn't want anything to be too distracting. And then I also got this pillow from Walmart for I think about, what, $15? I got the entire bedding set plus the extra pillows. Yeah, $40 even, which was really, really cheap, you guys. I didn't spend much money at all. Oh, and I also wanted to say that this video is sponsored by Lowell Mattress. They did send me a new mattress recently, and I have been loving this so much. I would say for me, it's more of a dangerous mattress because me and Kevin, we always end up falling asleep as soon as we kind of just start lying down and relaxing on here. And my back has been a lot better since using it. It is a memory foam mattress. It definitely has a firmness that makes you feel comfortable, but it's not too soft and it's not too hard. So it does come with a good balance of comfort, in my opinion. I wanted to thank Lowell Mattress for sending this to me. It did come in a pretty medium-sized box, surprisingly. So I was like, holy crap, my whole mattress is like stuck in here. Like, what is going on? So me and Kevin opened it, we set it up, and we've been using it for the past couple months since December, and we are absolutely loving it. Go check them out. And yeah, to kind of fit that Vaporwave theme that I was looking for, I really wanted to choose a comforter set that would kind of match that in a way where it'd be like a dark purple or like a dark blue or something very neutral, so that more attention would be on my decorations, the accessories of the room, stuff like that. Now I also have this hanging plant that I got from IKEA. I think that the mount was like around $6 plant, and then the hanging basket for it I think altogether was around maybe 20 bucks, 30, I'm not really sure, I don't remember. But I did get everything here from IKEA, and then also the lights were $5. I didn't spend too much on this. I felt like it was worth it just so that the room would look really cute. This is a fake plant, it's not real, but if you do want a real one, there are ways to do this. You can just get the basket from IKEA and then buy a real plant from somewhere else. I guess it would help. It would be great either way. I also went ahead and I wrapped the lights around my bed. I think it just adds something really homey and comfortable to the entire room, and plus this is the centerpiece of the room itself, so I think that I wanted something to just look really nice and comfortable. And then also we have our little workspace right over here. Yeah, so there's not much back here, of course. In the backyard there's like a lot of extra like shed work stuff, clutter back there. There's not much of a view in the window, which is fine, but we do use this table as a work table. Y'all have seen this in my videos a lot before. It is a rolling table so that we're able to move the table around all throughout the room. Because we have a smaller space, we didn't want to have something that we couldn't really move around. That's why I think that Kevin bought this actually from Etsy. It was a very expensive piece, so you could probably find one at IKEA honestly for way cheaper. There are rolling tables out there, so don't be alarmed. But yeah, anyways, this was just a really nice thing for us to get because we always like to have a spot where we can work at for YouTube videos or just like arts and crafts and stuff. I've used this plenty of times for arts and crafts, and it's always good to have it near the window for extra light and just in the morning just to work on stuff like plan and everything. We also got this mirror from IKEA. That's like a random record that Kevin ended up putting up there. It looks really cool, so we just wanted to hang it up here. And we got this huge mirror from IKEA. I think this was around maybe $100, but it's like super thick. It's really hard for even me to move. And so we just wanted something that we could just kind of have like a full body mirror that would be really good for Instagram pictures or just pretty much anything in general. Like I've seen this mirror in so many businesses, like salons and stuff, and like random people's homes and everything. Like everyone I feel like has this mirror. It's very popular. For the size and the weight of this and it only being $100 to me is not that bad at all. Most of the stuff in this apartment honestly is at IKEA. And we also have these shelves over here, you guys. We got these shelves from IKEA. I feel like in my last room tour I showed you guys these. I'm not sure if we have them yet, but we got these specifically because we wanted to have stuff to put all of our miscellaneous items in and just to be more organized in general. Kevin has a ton of books, by the way. I'll show y'all down here. Most of his shelves have like tons of books because he also does booktube, and yeah, he's just really into books. So he has that, and then my side has mostly like makeup products, miscellaneous beauty items, everything of that nature. So I have to have places to put all of my stuff. Like it's very important, and because we do live in a small space, this was very essential for us. And we basically got 2 of these shelves here and we just put them together, and so we each own one, and which is really nice. And I think we each had to buy all of the doors for this, so each door costs $5, and y'all can only imagine how much that really adds up for this whole apartment. It makes it so that our place looks less cluttered, because if we had all of these open like last time, people would be able to see every single item in our shelf, and it's just too much to look at. And this just really made the room look more clean, more organized. I don't remember how much these cost, but they're from IKEA, so they're not that bad. And a lot of my friends have bought this because they saw our apartment and how organized it made everything look. Okay, lighting is terrible right now, but I wanted to show you guys these LED lights. You can change it to like pink, you can change it to yellow or even red. I usually keep it in either green, blue, or pink, especially at night when the whole place is glowing. It really has that vaporwave type of vibe. Okay, so I'm already sitting down on my bed. I'm not sure if y'all can see. I'm usually eating, or I'm working on stuff for YouTube videos, or I mostly edit here just because the TV is like right in front of me and I can just play like my lo-fi tunes and stuff. So yeah, I just kind of work here, drink my coffee. Look how cute this is. Yeah, I just work here and it's super comfortable, and I'm so happy that we moved to this little table here. This was around, what? I think either $50 or $75 for this table. From my last video, you guys didn't see that we got a new television, and so we got a 50-inch during Black Friday for I think around $300, or what, $325. Super, super cheap. I think that this, what is this, a Samsung or something like that? We're just able to play stuff wherever we are in the room and stuff like that. I personally love it. It works well for me and Kevin as well, so we usually use that. Okay guys, so I'm here on this side of the room now, and as you guys can see over here, I've got my little LED light. This is something that I got from Amazon for around $32, and they do have them for a lot cheaper as well. You just have to kind of do your research. You don't have to actually use the battery pack for it. You can't just plug it into a USB, and luckily I have one down there where I can just kind of plug it in with my phone, and it works really well. It's really easy. You don't have to have any batteries for it, which I am so grateful for. I also have a couple of new pieces that I got from Little Tokyo. For example, this is a City Pop print that I got. I don't know the artist. I just bought it randomly. I bought 2 prints for like $30. I love City Pop in general, like Vaporwave-ish music. So I felt like this would go really well in the room, and I think it matches it really well. It's really, really cute. And this frame costs about $3 at IKEA. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely just go there. So I couldn't bring my tripod all the way in here because the bed is kind of blocking that area, but I'll show you guys this picture over here. I also got this in Little Tokyo, and they have this little vintage shop where they sell lots of prints and stuff, or they have independent artists that make prints and they sell them there as well. Again, I don't know who this person is, so if you guys know who they are, please let me know. I threw away the plastic. If you know who this is, please put it down below in the comment section because the artwork is so pretty. Also, I also have this little caboodles kit right here that they sent me. They were just able to send me a couple of things this past year, and I also got this plant from Marshall's, I think for around $16, and all the plants that I saw that were like this before were like $30 or even $50. So I was like, this is not gonna work, but I found an affordable one and it works out. I'm gonna show y'all my little makeup section because it is wild. Okay, so right in here I've got my brushes, I have all of my liquid shadows in this container. So everything on top of this area of my room is just mostly like my skincare stuff and also my makeup brushes. And here it's mostly just like my miscellaneous eyeliner pencils, stuff like that. And then the second drawer is mostly like my Drunk Elephant stuff. And in my next drawer here, I've got mostly M Cosmetics lipstick or lipsticks that I kind of just reach for and grab when I want to be on the go. The last drawer in this little case here is all of my mascara. So I just have kind of everything that's ready for me to grab. Makeup organizer. This is a huge one. I got this from Amazon, I think, a couple of years ago. And I've recently had to get another plastic one from Target, which also helped me so much. I have my makeup drawers and stuff here. So right in here I have like all of my lipsticks that I just kind of grab. So this is kind of a lot, but you know, I feel like for every occasion you need a different lipstick. So I do have all my other lipsticks in this bottom drawer here. And then I keep all of my concealers in this little box right here. And it's so funny because if I ever buy like makeup or stuff, or if I get PR, I kind of keep the bottom box of it so that I can just put it in here as like a makeup organizer. And then next, I've got my compact stuff. I have like my makeup organizers, the acrylic ones that I got from Amazon like 3 years ago. And I keep all of like my highlighters in here, my powder, my face powders, and then I have my translucent powders in this area. Then I have my loose shadows in here, and then I've got my miscellaneous palettes that are also my go-to palettes in here as well. And then I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so y'all can see, but this is like my lipstick stash, like my lip gloss and lipstick stash. Like it is so, there's so much of it in here, you guys. And then here I have my lashes. I also went to the Jordan Woods event recently and I got to see her. So if y'all want me to do a video like on my experience like seeing her at the event and also what I think about the whole situation, let me know. I think most people have already given their thoughts on this. I'm not going to be able to contribute that much more, I feel like, even if I do talk about it. But I did go to the event, I did see her there, and I have photos to prove it and also video footage. So if y'all want to know, please let me know. But yeah, the lashes look really cute and I still have yet to wear them because they are super natural and I live for natural lashes. Products that I kind of already reviewed, I still have yet to review the Joa Beauty line from CVS, whatever. So they're all in here. Then I have like my Milk makeup products and stuff. More of my dramatic lashes actually are located in here, and then I have all of my skincare like face mask and stuff, like literally all here. This whole packet is like full of face masks. I basically have like foundations in this little area, and then we've got more extra palettes that I have. I put stuff that I will need to use in the future if I need to. And then on the bottom here, it's just like, yeah, the bottom is like mostly primers, miscellaneous like face prepping stuff. Last thing, which is basically just the bathroom and the kitchen, because that's pretty much it for all of this room. Now I want to also say that like not everything in my cabinets is really organized, so I'm not going to be going through all of my cabinets because I don't really think that I need to. But I have in this little area right over here, we've got all of my vitamins and stuff. Then we have like a little plant over here that Kevin just bought recently from IKEA, and we've been trying to water it every week because it is a desert plant. And I got this from an event that I went to recently. It's by Lineage. It's just like a water bottle that we have. Some dishes. We have some dishes in the sink, y'all. Just a few. And then we have a little coffee maker that I have here. I'm probably gonna end up throwing this away really soon because I don't use it anymore. And then we have a blender here, which I use to make all of my green smoothies. I don't know if you guys want me to do another like what I eat in a day video, because I've been trying to eat healthier, just been trying to turn things around this year. Like it's no joke, I'm just trying to get healthy again. Here we have all of our food, like our essentials and stuff like that. So I've been trying to also take apple cider vinegar a lot more seriously recently. So I've been having it every morning and night with half of a fresh lemon, a tablespoon of this, and then half a cup of water. And then we just have like pink Himalayan salt, bread, like trail mix. Then we have our cereal here, oil, stove here, which I know is not really the cleanest, and then we have our microwave. We always like to have some type of fresh fruit in the apartment because it helps us to like stop eating terrible foods. We got this from Costco. And then more oils. That. We We have our fridge here, and we also have this entire shelf used to actually be where the TV was, but we had to end up putting it somewhere in the kitchen. So we do get alkaline water from this company, and we just put the water in here, and we keep all of the extra bottles actually right in this area over here as well. So, and then we have, this is so, see, this is what I'm talking about. This is why I wanted to make it like a realistic room tour, because we don't organize everything in this apartment. Like, it's mostly the stuff that's in the main room. Everything here is just like a lot of cords and like stuff we need for arts and crafts. Oh my god, this is so messy. I've got my 40 volume developer here, like conditioner. We have like bleach and stuff in the background, laundry detergent, band-aid kit, yeah, lotion, just a bunch of stuff that we need on a day-to-day basis, I guess. We have this kind of organized, like there's more stuff in here that we keep, but I'm gonna try my best to tackle this like sometime during the week or so, because it's kind of annoying me. Like toilet paper, paper towel, stuff from Costco that we don't know where else to put because everything here is not organized at the moment. So I might do that today or sometime during the week. As I said before, we just haven't gotten there yet. And then we have the bathroom, which is probably like my least favorite place because it's just the smallest area of the apartment and there's not much ventilation here. So we have to keep this window open, or at least cracked a lot of the time. It's like meh, like the sink is really small. But yeah, that's it for this apartment tour. I hope that you guys like it. Again, it's pretty short and sweet. It's 400 square foot in this entire place. So as y'all can see, like this is pretty much it. It looks bigger because we want to make it look that way. We make an effort to keep our space clean and like organized for the most part. Yeah, I hope that you guys liked the video, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.